Hello everybody, this is Ian Lamont. I am the founder of In 30 Minutes Guides, available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm going to show you how to disable or delete or change a filter in Yahoo Mail. And this is true whether you're using Windows, Mac, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Firefox, or Chrome. It all works the same way, assuming you're using a desktop operating system. And also, while I'm talking about Yahoo Mail, just understand that what you see may look a little bit different on your own computer depending on how you have Yahoo Mail set up, or some other aspect, like for instance when you're watching this video, if it's a couple years in the future. This is in early 2021, so things may look a little bit different by the time you see this. And you're responsible for following Yahoo Mail's rules and regulations too. So here's the situation. This is a folder that I've created in Yahoo Mail called Online Purchases, and I've set up a filter so anything from Amazon goes in this particular folder. It doesn't even show up in the inbox. And if I wanted to, I could disable or change this particular filter. For instance, making Amazon emails go into the inbox or going into trash or whatever. And here's how you make the changes. This is assuming you've created a filter already, and I have another video that shows how to create a filter. This is how to make changes to the filter or to delete it. So in Yahoo Mail, look for this little gear icon. It should be somewhere in the right corner. Click on it, and you'll have basic settings. What you want is actually more settings down here. And then you're going to check out filters on the left side. All right, I have lots of filters here. Okay, some of them are no longer relevant. So this particular one, Newsio, deliver to, let's click on it, we can see what it does. So here's the name that I gave it, Newsio. If it contains @Newsio, choose it, move it to the inbox. And I think that the reason why I created this particular filter was so it wouldn't get put to spam. But what if I just want to delete that? Because I know that I don't care about this particular filter anymore. Easy, just select it and then click delete. Confirm delete. You sure want to delete the filter Newsio? Yes, I do. Okay. Here's another particular example. Deliver, if the filter name is, this is Media Grid Communications, if it comes from this particular mailing list, then move it to the inbox. Let's say that instead I want to move it to the education folder that I've created in Yahoo Mail, and I do have one. So all I need to do here is just select, instead of selecting inbox, select education. That's a filter I already created, and save it. And then you can do things like, let's say that I want to edit it again. Maybe the email address has changed, so I want to change it. So maybe instead of this long one, they've changed it to a short one. So I can do that. And then I click save. Now, one thing you should understand about filters, sometimes when you create filters, it has unintended consequences. Like, let's say that I'm just putting all this stuff from this particular email address in my education folder. I don't really check the education folder that often, like maybe once every week or two. So what this means is that maybe I'll get an email, an important email from this particular address. It'll be in the education folder, and I won't even know about it for a couple weeks because I'm not looking at it every day like I am the inbox. So if that's the case, then maybe I want to put things back in the, instead of going to the education folder, put it right back in the inbox. So once you're done doing all that stuff, go back to your inbox, and those filter changes will be made. And then if you want to, you can rearrange them more, or rearrange them. For instance, if I want to put this a little bit lower on the list, that means Yahoo will look at these other filters before it looks at that one. You can do that too. For more information on how to get the most out of the computer software that you use and other topics as well, my publishing company, In 30 Minutes, we have a whole bunch of books about crowdfunding. This is by someone who's done, a Hollywood filmmaker who's done some crowdfunding campaigns before. Genealogy Basics, Shannon Combs Bennett, she's a professional genealogist, as well as other books on software and many other topics. So if this video helped you, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube, and you can also see more of my videos and blog posts on in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.